do I see some people in the car window? Maybe we should stop by and see if anybody wants some food. Okay. Girls, we're at the park, and I heard a food truck's gonna be stopping by today. Yep. Let's find a seat. Yep. Here looks like a good spot. Yep, let's sit down. Let's just wait for the food truck to come. Food's here. Time to open up our food truck. Get out of the car. Okay. Let's set this up. So we're gonna put this latch open. Open the latch. Open up the latch. And this one. Lift that open. Put the stand down. And finally, the menu. Perfect. Food for sale. To take orders? Yep. Okay, getting places. Okay, I'm in place. Ready to cook. Girls, the food truck's here. Let's order. I'm so hungry. Yes, the food truck's here. I'm so hungry. Okay. Can't wait to order. Oh, there's so many things to order. Girls, look, there's a lineup. We gotta wait till everyone else is gone. Okay. Oh, okay, let's line up. Order up. Okay, thanks for the taco. Enjoy. Oh, looks like the lineup's done. Let's order
Finally.
some food. Hi, how can I help you? Oh, can I get one burger? Okay, one burger. I would like some fries. Okay, one fries. Which type? Just the regular, please. Okay. And for the drink, can I have some lemonade? Okay. How about you? What would you like? I want some fries. What kind of fries? I actually want sweet potato fries. Okay. And I'll get for my drink, pink lemonade. One pink lemonade. Thank you. Hi, I would like to get one salad. Okay, one salad. And for my drink, I would like a bottle of water, please. Okay, one bottle of water. Thank you. I want a taco, one taco. And for my drink, I want another bottle of water. Okay, another bottle of water coming right up. Your total is $5. Okay, here. Thank you. Time to get cooking. It says on the notepad that there's one burger. So I'll get the spatula from there and I'll fry some patties. There we go. Now I'm gonna get the tongs and put it in the burgers. Perfect. One burger served. Now let's get one of these trays and a plate for the burger. Now put the burger on. Okay, now that's on the tray. Now I'm gonna make the fries. Okay, strain them in this sizzle. Got the fries package and now put some fries in. Grab some. There. Add that to the tray. Okay, now it's time for the drink. She wanted one lemonade. There. Now let's add that on the tray. And that one's ready to serve. Oh, that's Elsia's. I got it. Okay, and the next order was sweet potato fries, so I'll make that. Okay, I'm gonna grab a carton And get my tongs and get some sweet potato fries inside. There. Get one tray and put the fries in. Time for the drink. And she wanted pink lemonade. Add that to the tray. Perfect. Order up. Okay, food is ready. Okay, now the next one, salad. This bowl. And I'll get the tongs and add some leaves in. There. Perfect salad. Now for the drink, a bottle of water. Okay, ready to serve. Order up. Oh, that's mine. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Okay, and for the final meal, the taco. So, get the tortilla and get all the toppings in. And there, the perfect taco. And I'll put that on a plate. Perfect. And all we need now is the drink. So she also wanted a bottle of water. And perfect. Meal complete. Order up. Ooh, that's mine. I can't wait to eat this. It looks very delicious. Okay, now we have all of our food. Yep. Let's sit now. Yep. Okay, girls, time to eat. Yum, I can't wait to eat my fries. Burger. Oh, it's so delicious. I want 1,000,000 burgers. No, Elsia, that's too much burgers for you. Let me try this. This is amazing. Oops. Hey, Anna. Okay. I'm gonna try my fries now. Delicious. I'm gonna finish this in 1 second. And let's try my lemonade. I lifted my plate clean. Now I'm gonna try some water. Delicious. I licked my plate clean, so I'm done. Delicious. That was delicious. Yep. Girls, do you want dessert? Yes. Dessert. Yay. Please. Okay, you can get one dessert. I don't want any. Yes, let's go, Anya. Can we order a dessert? Oh, sure, girls. Can I have one strawberry ice cream, please? Okay. One. But Elsia, I want one. Too bad. Just ask them for another one. Okay. Do you have another strawberry ice cream? I'm sorry, that's our only one left. Oh, then I should have it. It's mine. Nope, it's mine. No, Anya, I was nicer than you. No, I was nicer than you. I deserve it. No, I cleaned up the room. Well, I also cleaned up our toys. Well, is everything okay? Oh, well, I'm getting the strawberry ice cream. No, sure. I'm getting strawberry ice cream, but we have chocolate ice cream too. Oh yeah, that one's yummy too. So, do you want a chocolate ice cream? Yep. Okay, one chocolate ice cream. Okay, and I remember we have some ice cream in the fridge. One chocolate and one strawberry. Perfect. Order up. Oh, that's ours. Mine's a strawberry. Oh, yeah, I forgot to. Let's go. Mommy, we're back. Girls, what took you so long to come back? Well, Anya was arguing because she needed the strawberry ice cream, but I decided that I should have it. Because the lady told me that there was chocolate ice cream, so that was yummy too, so I decided to get chocolate ice cream. Okay, but you should decide quicker what you girls want. Yeah, maybe next time Anya can get the strawberry ice cream. Yeah, okay. Let's eat now. Let's try it. Delicious. I love it. I wonder how this is tasting. This is so yummy. Well, girls, enjoy. Hey, Natalie? Yeah? I think it's time we leave and pack up because we have some other places we can visit today. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's pack up. So first, tuck this edge in. And then tuck the second part in. And then we'll close this one. And I'm gonna put this back in. And tuck this in. And finally, the lock. Okay, we're good to go. Oh, girls, the food truck's packing up and leaving. Oh, okay. Bye, food truck. See you next time.